Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? Okay, in this session, we are going to do the part two of our linking, hyperlinking the index with our videos, right? So, what we do that we open the file. As you know, we have one file at for every video, and that is going to be open, and this prompt is the login user password prompt. We just click OK on it. It is the password. Okay, so we were in the index, we were hyperlinking all these things into a white and what uh, uh, okay, so that was not hyperlinked actually, it was a it will be hyperlinked. Okay. Since we have done the testing before presenting it to you, so it is working very well. The only thing I want first to clarify something in our previous video, uh, we looked up this date to the link to this sheet in which the August is. So it starts from here, and it's then using index match. Why index match was used? Because we wanted to pick this uh, title in front of our title of the lesson, right? Just to ensure that it is working properly and to show you that and to give you a revision of index match, right? Index, so first we do the matching. The match comes up with a number, and then we index it with that number, so it picks up the right desired item. So this was done. Later on, we wanted this thing to be picked up. This is our model to bring the hyperlink bring the URL to hyperlink to the video, right? So what we do is that we can look up direct. We can use the Vlookup direct from here until here, and that will still bring the URL, right? So, okay. So this was just a clarification for you, okay? So to attach is this formula to a button, and we have created this button for you. How did we create it? So let's go to Alt F11 to show you that just to give you the revision. Yeah. Yeah. This is the create my toolbar in which we have two things to do. The first is the determine the the face ID, right? So there are so many. Each ID comes up with a new shape, right? So we go to the last ID and we make a copy of it uh, and just change this one. Okay, so what we do is we copy the lastmost this over to here and then change 445 to 475. That's it. This is the first thing we do. And the two things in this procedure we have to do. One is this. The other is then you go to this with toolbar loop procedure part of the thing in which you specify the action on that button. This implies the first button, second button, third, and so on. So each button has two commands. One is that on action what to do, and what is the name you want to get it appeared. Go to the index sheet and set hyperlink to the video. So this is what has already been done. We copied this part only in this here, yeah, and pasted in here and changed 39 to 40 here. 39 was made to 40, and then we wrote this the name of the macro which we have set it here, right? And a description there go to this. So when you place the mouse point onto the this, so this is going to appear. Fine. Fair. Now, what is the thing this procedure is going to do? It is let me click it here. Fine. Okay. The first thing it does is to validate. It V is for false means not validated. As soon as V is true means it is validated. So what makes it true is that the procedure in the end, whenever it is go sub, so you don't have to go out of this sub, but rather in the within the at the end of the you will express a go validate sub procedure. Yeah, that is right after the exit sub and before the end sub, you will say go validate and this. Okay, then it validates the index sheet must be there in order to execute it, right? And it validates that the row number are greater than 2, right? The last row. mm, There have to be rows which have to be a hyperlinked, right? So these are the two things. When it is still validated, then it also checks if there is a sheet named links to other videos. If that exists, yes, then there has to be a data at least greater than 2 means the videos which have to be hyperlinked. So if these both things are true, otherwise it is false, it is returned. Now it is taking the result, back by the return, right? I'm sorry. Yeah, it is taking the result back on the breakpoint here. Yeah, and if the validation was true, then it is doing the formula which we showed you in previous. We have put it the entire formula in here. Only thing we have done is that if there is any double quote, they are going to be double means 4 times 4 quote. Wherever in the formula you have a single quote, you will make it a double quote. Right. So this is the formula we have put it. Now it is going to uh, uh, put the hyperlink in here. First of all, it is going to delete the hyperlink, and then right from the row number 3, the first lesson title, it is going to hyperlink with the videos in the uh, video sheet, right? So these are hyperlinks, right? So let me show you uh, after this. We will stop it here, okay? So what we do is anywhere remaining in this block. If, for example, let us uh, let us rename it so the program will not work because you have changed the name of the thing and now you click this. So it is validating. Now validation is false, so it is not going to execute it at all, right? Similarly, for what we do, we get it back. No? We get this name back, right? And we run it now. So this time the validation is true. Now it is going to execute it, right? The next is it is going to delete all the hyperlinks. It will write the formula in the D column and bring all the URLs in front of there, right? So let's run it. It will run. It will stop it here. Okay, right. So it has brought all the URLs, not hyperlinked yet. Or this is the first step that bring the URL here. So it has brought the URL. Now it is going to make the hyperlinks now. So let's see the first hyperlink being made. So let me take you here. Why? Okay. For example, this is the hyperlink. Now it is not yet hyperlink, but very soon you will see also F11. So it is going to start with the row number 3. Okay. Now it is taking this going to select C3, right? This is 3. C3 is going to be selected. Okay. Yeah, it is gone. Next is it is checking if the hyperlink is blank. It is not blank. Yeah. If it is not blank, then it is preserving the hyperlink in a variable, that is HL. This is the hyperlink, right? And now the text is the same thing. You're getting started with, huh? So press F8 here. Now it is going to add the hyperlink with the selected cell, and it is going to be a hyperlink. You see, you can see the hyperlink is established, right? And now it is going to the next, and so on and so forth. And let me stop it here. As soon as it is done, it will show you. This is the next one. So it is going to skip it. This does not have a hyperlink yet. Okay. So this is where it has hyperlink, right? Now it is going, so it is going so quickly that you will see with the flash of seconds, it is going to be created. So all the hyperlinks will be created as soon as you click this, right? These are created. And you will see that after doing this job, it is just clearing the extra column here in which the hyperlinks, they are no more required here. So these are going to be clear. Press the page. So that's it. So this is how, with the click of button, the hyperlinks have been established. Now you can, from now on, all you need to do is click this, right? And remove the breakpoint if any. Yeah. You can do by removing that, go to debug, clear all breakpoints, right? So that it does not disturb you again and again. Okay. So this is how you make sure that all your lessons are properly hyperlinked to the video, respective video, right? That's it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.